Hi, welcome to Heads Up Video. Male dinosaurs used to gather around a female dinosaur for the purpose of mating? Well, there are more amazing facts that you probably didn't know. So without further ado, here are 5 incredible dinosaur facts. Number 5, they laid eggs. Now this one might seem obvious, but it was actually quite surprising when scientists discovered the first dinosaur nest in 2001. You see, up until that point, scientists had believed that dinosaurs gave birth to live babies, kind of like modern-day reptiles. However, the discovery of these nests proved that at least some species of dinosaurs laid eggs, and since then, paleontologists have found plenty of dinosaur eggs and even baby dinosaurs preserved in those eggs. The first dinosaur eggs were found in China, and they were found by a team of Chinese and Canadian scientists. The eggs were discovered in a rock formation that dates back about 190 million years. The eggs were ovoid in shape and about 6 inches long, and they were found in what appeared to be a nesting area. There were hundreds of them, all jumbled together. This discovery led to the conclusion that dinosaurs probably reproduced in a way that was similar to that of birds and crocodiles. Birds, as we now know, are the closest living relatives of dinosaurs. So it makes sense that they would lay eggs in a similar way. Number 4, dinosaur means terrible lizard. The word dinosaur was coined by Sir Richard Owen in 1842. He came up with the name because he thought that dinosaurs were a kind of terrible lizard. Now, this couldn't be further from the truth because, as we now know, dinosaurs weren't lizards at all. They were actually a diverse group of reptiles that lived on Earth during the Mesozoic era. Owen's original definition of the term dinosaur was actually quite accurate. In Greek, the word dinosaur means terrible lizard, and many dinosaurs were indeed terrible, such as the ferocious T-Rex, but the term dinosaur has since been applied to all kinds of different creatures, including herbivores like the Brachiosaurus. No, 3, some dinosaurs were actually quite small. When we think of dinosaurs, we usually imagine huge, terrifying creatures that roamed the earth. And while some dinosaurs were definitely gigantic, others were actually quite small. For example, the Compsognathus was only about the size of a chicken. In fact, it was so small that it could easily be mistaken for a bird. There was also the Maiasaura, which was about the size of a house cat. These tiny dinosaurs were able to survive by being quick and agile. They were also probably good at hiding from predators. Not all dinosaurs were huge and lumbering. Some of them were quite small and nimble. Number 2, dinosaurs lived on every continent. Dinosaurs were truly a global phenomenon. They lived on every continent on Earth. And they were especially diverse in areas that are now tropical or subtropical. For example, in the Serengeti Plain in Tanzania, there have been over 5,000 dinosaur footprints preserved in the ash of a single volcanic eruption. This site is known as the Stone Circle, and as one of the most important paleoanthropologic sites in the world. It's amazing to think that dinosaurs once roamed this area, and it is even more amazing to realize that their footprints have been preserved here for millions of years. Number 1, a group of male dinosaurs would sometimes gather around a female dinosaur for the purpose of mating. This is known as a breeding group, and it was common among certain species of dinosaurs. The males would compete for the right to mate with the female, and the strongest, largest male would usually win. This behavior has been observed in other animals, such as primates and marine mammals. But it's rare in birds, which are the closest living relatives of dinosaurs. So why did male dinosaurs engage in this behavior? The answer is not entirely clear, but it is likely that it was simply the most effective way for them to ensure the continuation of their species. After all, if a male dinosaur is able to successfully mate with a female, he will pass on his genes to the next generation. So it is in the best interest of both males and females for the strongest male to win the breeding rights. So there you have it, 5 incredible dinosaur facts. Do you know any other dinosaur facts? Feel free to share them in the comments below, and as always, thanks for watching.